Hi everybody, and welcome to this week's Into the Kitchen with me, Chef Cynthia Louise, where we get to eat. Yum, 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 yum. Today's recipe is sweet chili sauce. I know, right? With sour cream and wedges. Oh my gosh, I love it. I think it's amazing. I love the idea that I can share this with you, and it's really, really simple. So have a quick look down here of what I'm doing, just so you can get a really good idea of what ingredients are here. So I've got some honey, apple cider vinegar, some long chilies, some tomato, some really interesting, an ingredient that I'm putting in there, some lemongrass, because I just love it. I think it's amazing, gives that really nice scent. I've got some ginger, which is another interesting ingredient in sweet chili sauce, and some capsicum, some honey. So this makes a sweet chili sauce, which I find is quite amazing. So what I'd love to do is show you how, and follow the recipe, yeah? Really, really simple. It all basically just goes in one pot, which is kind of awesome. Check this out. I love honey. Get a neutral honey. This is a white honey. It doesn't have a big amount of flavour, but if you do get a honey that has a big amount of flavour, that's what you'll taste. And we don't kind of want to do that. We want to taste the essence of the chili and the sweetness of the honey, but not the flavour of the honey. So be mindful of that, okay? Apple cider vinegar. I've got some chopped capsicum. Really simply just chopped red capsicum. My lemongrass, which is the end of the lemongrass, as you can see, which is kind of, the more robust, kind of fragrant end, and I'm just going to smash it, chuck it in. I've got some ginger, which I've just sliced up. Now, like I said, follow the recipe, exact. Right in there, I've got some tomato, just into quarters. Really simple. Really, really simple. You guys are going to, I don't know, like when I first made this with wedges and my sour cream recipe, which is on another blog, I was just like, oh yeah, this is the bomb. So you're going to slice your chili up with the seeds, just like this. Really simple. You're not going to keep these ones. Now just watch those seeds don't flick in your eye. I've had that happen to me before. One day, Gungun, I was working in a health retreat and I was cutting chili, and one chili seed went in my eye. No joke. Yeah, and I was burning. No, really. It was intense. It took me ages to get it out, so just be mindful because they flick everywhere. Okay, and then that's going to go straight into here. Just straight in to the pot. Okay. And then we're going to come over here. It's going to go straight on the boil. Just like that. And you're going to boil it for a good hour. And look how much water and content is in there. There's quite a lot. And it's going to boil, and then it's going to reduce. Have a look over here. Which is kind of awesome. This is a really great recipe of mine. And it's going to get sticky and thick. Now what I've done, and what you guys to do, is take out the tomato. So you've boiled it for an hour, it's reduced right down, you're going to turn it off and take out the tomato, and then you're going to put it onto the boil again for another 15 minutes. You with me? You got that? Really simple. Really freaking simple. It's making me salivate because the flavours, the smells and the aromas are coming through the kitchen. That really simple step is crucial, taking the tomato out, because there's a lot of water content in tomato, so it's really important that you guys do that. And then you're going to cool it down completely, and then come over here, Gungun, and then you're going to put it into a jar like this and serve it with, which is quite amazing, some wedges here. Hey Made, do you reckon you can get me that sour cream in the fridge there? I think it's on the second last shelf. Yeah, Made's here today. Next fridge, sour cream, glass jar. Made's here today. My friend Made. Say hello, Made.
Hi, sir.
Does this seem easy so far? Come back over here, Gungun, and have a good look in here. That extra other 15 minutes, I'm cooking that forward. It's amazing, isn't it? So 1 hour of cooking here, high heat, bubbling. and then turning it off after an hour, taking the tomato out, and then cooking it again for another 15 minutes, and it just starts to thicken and caramelise. And this is what we're left with. A thick, sweet chili sauce. Look at that. And then I've got some of my sour cream in another blog recipe. Check it out. Yum. And now I've got my wedges. There's no words to explain the joy it is to be able to make my friends and family this, and a standard recipe. Mate, come and taste it. Come and taste it. Come over here. Come behind. Gungun, come and have a look at this really close. It's really starting to thicken. Like it's really starting to bubble up and thicken. That's another 15 minutes in there. And then here. Is it good? This is what they do, like they go like this, right? And the sweet chili.
Yes.
Look at that.
You use brown sugar?
Honey.
Yum.
It's good for kids, eh? Nice, huh? This lasts a long time in the fridge because it's boiled, all the water's boiled out. That's it. I'm done. Enjoy. Quick recipe, simple, fast, done. See you next week.